Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. Today I have another truck video for you guys. Today we are going to be straight piping my Magnum 4.7 by cutting the muffler off, because if you guys have heard what these things sound like without a muffler on it, they sound really good. So this is my current exhaust, big old suitcase, and we're going to cut it off, make it sound a little bit better. Yeah, I told you metal blade's faster. Figure this out. Hold up, I got metal in my eye. Feels so good. We're halfway through. Bathroom. Bro, sexy battery died. Do not give us a sauce out there. Sounds so good. Just hold it. Alright, it's off. The exhaust tip and tail it out. Then we got the suitcase, and then you can see no more suitcase, just straight pipe with cats. Ready? Yeah. Alright guys, so as good as this truck sounds with the muffler delete, it really only sounds good at idle, and whenever you're starting it, it sounds about the same as it did with the muffler on whenever you're revving it or driving it. So I found three exhausts, or mufflers I should say. I found three mufflers that sound pretty good. So I'm going to show you these three real quick. So first, we got this. It's a Flowmaster FX side exit. It comes out right before the tires. Here's a picture of it. See, right before the tires. $500 and black tips. This is what it sounds like. So it sounds pretty good, pretty loud, and I like how it looks. But here's another option. Borla Pro XS, $112. This isn't exactly like the size. I would have to find the right like holes and the right offset. But just a stock muffler, weld it to the pipes that come from the heads to the like the pipe on the, or the tailpipe. And this is what it sounds like. So it kind of sounds, it's quieter for sure, but it's kind of like raspier when you let off the gas. I'm not sure how much I like this one. It's on the tables, I think, but I'm not sure. I kind of like the side exit more. And then we got the Borla Attack 248 on Summit Racing. Just the same, just different looks and different sound. And then this is what it sounds like. So you can see it sounds pretty good, and all three of these exhausts in the video I showed you are on 4.7 Magnums. So I'm gonna pick one of these eventually, and we'll do that in the build video we got going on soon. All right guys, Cole is on the way. Once he gets here, we're gonna go to the gym. So I'm gonna warm this thing up. And you guys get a little cold start. Get up the fuel pump, prime. Oh yeah, she's angry. Alright guys, it is a lot darker now. We just got back from the gym, but I wanted to tell you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe, and share this video with all your other friends. If you want to support me, lights just went out. Like I was saying, if you guys do want to support me, go ahead, follow me on Instagram, link in the description. I post notifications for whenever I upload, and channel updates, and just gratitude stories. And then also subscribe to the second channel, link in the description, Colton Rutledge Extras. I post occasional long form content and daily YouTube shorts over on there. And of course, I post every Wednesday here on the main channel, 4:30 p.m. AKST every Wednesday, like I said. So I hope you guys enjoyed this truck video. Let me know in the comments down below which exhaust you think I should do from the three that I showed you yesterday. And what do you guys think of it straight piped? Go check out some other videos. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. As of recording this right now, we're at like 288 subscribers. So we were so close to that 500 mark. So I really do appreciate you guys. Have a good one.